So here, so here's my solution for homework 8. This is my landing page, and here, this is the page where I show the most recent bids, and each bid shows the item ID, item name, buyer's name, bid amount, and the bid timestamp. So one of the first things we had to do was to create a bid page, and here we can create bid on any of the items. You can choose a buyer and set a price and create. And here you can see that that bid was created for the telescope today. And one of the next things we were to do was to create CRUD functionalities for the item model. And here you can see the list of all the items for auction in the database right now. And we can create an item. So we can create an item, and it shows right here. We can read an item by looking at its details. We can edit an item and make changes, and the changes save. And we can also delete an item. So one of the last things we were supposed to do was to show the bids, live rolling bids of an item in the details page, and my Ajax decided not to work with me, but I was able to get to a point where I can see that it definitely reaches my JavaScript file. It just hits a server error when trying to show the bid. So as you can see, I wasn't able to get a video of this web app running locally before I deployed it to Azure, which is why it has this URL. But indeed, it worked the same locally, and the Ajax didn't work the same locally. It didn't work properly. And one of the last requirements was to have a nav bar. And here you can see that all of my links for all of my nav bars work. And yeah, that's my homework 8.